everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In today's video we're diving into the 10 must-have Firefox add-ons that can boost your browsing speed, privacy and productivity. So now let's get started. Number 1. Ublock Origin. This is a powerful ad blocker that removes ads, pop-ups and trackers from websites to make pages load faster and cleaner. You can find it in the Firefox Add-Ons store, and once installed, it works automatically in the background, which is important for safer and distraction-free browsing. Number 2. Bitwarden. This is a secure password manager that stores your login details in an encrypted vault and helps you create strong passwords. After adding it from the Firefox Add-Ons store, you can access it from the toolbar icon, making it essential for protecting your online accounts. Number 3. Firefox Multi-Account Containers. This add-on lets you open different websites in separate containers, so you can stay logged into multiple accounts at the same time. It is available in the add-ons marketplace, and it is important because it improves privacy by separating your browsing sessions. Number 4. Sideberry. This extension enhances tab management by organizing your tabs vertically in the sidebar for a cleaner view. You can enable it after installation from the toolbar, and it is useful for users who work with many tabs every day. Number 5. Language Tool. This is a writing assistant that checks your grammar, spelling, and punctuation while you type on websites. Once installed from the add-on store, it automatically highlights mistakes, which is important for writing professional emails and posts. Number 6. Single File. This extension saves an entire web page as a single HTML file with one click. You can use its toolbar button to download complete pages, and this is important for offline reading and keeping records. Number 7. Firefox Relay. This tool helps you create email aliases to protect your real email address from spam. After installing it from the Firefox Add-on store, you can generate aliases directly on sign-up forms, which improves your online privacy. Number 8. Dark Reader. This add-on enables dark mode on almost every website to reduce eye strain during night browsing. You can control brightness and contrast from its toolbar icon, and it is important for comfortable long browsing sessions. Number 9. Sponsor Block for YouTube. This extension automatically skips sponsored segments inside YouTube videos to save your time. After adding it to Firefox, it works while you watch videos, making your viewing experience smoother and more focused. Number 10. Return YouTube Dislike. This add-on restores the dislike count on YouTube videos so you can better judge the content quality. Once installed from the add-on store, it displays the dislike numbers under the video player, helping you make informed viewing decisions. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech videos.